Hey heroes! If you're asking the question, what are overages in real estate, then you've come to the right video because we're going to answer that. But first, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification because there's people out there who need you to be their hero, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that and how to get paid. Let's jump right in. Overages are created every single day whenever there's a home or land that's sold at an auction for more than what is owed to the lender or to the county. Let me explain. If you're just learning about overages, you're going to hear about mortgage overages and tax sale overages. Let's look at both of these now. First, mortgage overages. Tom is a homeowner that owes $300,000 on his home. And for whatever reason in his life, he is unable to keep up with his monthly payments. Eventually, Tom's bank begins the process of foreclosure on his property. First, Tom's bank selects a third party to be the trustee of the property. This is often a law firm that arranges a foreclosure sale in order to auction Tom's property to the public. Bill is at the auction and buys Tom's property for $325,000, and that is $25,000 more than what Tom owes the bank for his property. This is potentially a $25,000 mortgage overage. Now let's take a look at how tax sale overages are created. Karen has some land that she's been planning to use for a llama farm. However, life shifted and for whatever reason, she stopped paying the property taxes on her land to the county. She owes her county $12,000 in property taxes. And, as a result, Karen's county has a tax sale to sell off her land to the highest bidder. Samantha is at the tax sale and purchases Karen's land for $24,000. Now, a $12,000 tax sale overage is created. Well, potentially, but we'll get into that in later videos. Please note, an overage is only created if the property that the bank or the county took back is then sold to a third party for more than what is owed on it. An overage is not created when the property is taken back by the bank or county and not sold. If a sale does not take place for more than what is owed on the property, then the bank or county would just become the rightful new owners of the property. Subscribe to Overages Hero for more free, quick, and to-the-point education on overages and creative real estate, so you can get into the business of helping others while getting paid for your efforts. I'll be uploading new videos multiple times a week with beneficial content, so hit that bell icon so you don't get left behind.